नको रे मना क्रोध हा खेदकारी, नको रे मना काम नाना विकारी, नको रे मना सर्वदा अंगीकारू, नको रे मना मत्सरू दंभभारू. Hello viewers, I am Apurva Barve, Certified Stress Management Counselor. Thank you for joining me in this series titled Manache Shlok for Mental Health. Here we discuss Manache Shlok to understand their impact on mental well-being. Today we are going to talk about Shlok number 6. This verse focuses on the vices that attack our mind. On careful observation, one will be able to see how cleverly Samartha Ramdas has connected each vice with its adverse effects in every line of this verse. To begin with, he says, Nako re mana krodha ha khedakari. Krodh means anger. Khedakari means something that brings regret. Anger is associated with regret. When things don't go our way, we become very angry. We vent out either by getting into fights or succumbing to addictions or venting out on social media platforms. Why don't we learn to accept consequences without anger? When one door closes, instead of banging on it furiously, why don't we look out for other open doors? The next vice that Samartha Ramdas discusses here is kama, which means desires. Making us aware of the viciousness of this vice, Samartha Ramdas says, Nako re mana kama nana vikari. O mind, do not indulge in the never-ending list of desires because it is going to inflict vikar, diseases, troubles onto you. It is very important to be happy and satisfied with what you have and what you have achieved so far. Unable to do so stops a person from appreciating little gifts of love and life. Such people often become very restless and unhappy. Is it of any use to breed anger and desires that enslave us? Nako re mana sarvada angikaru. O mind, do not imbibe angikar, these vices. Do not plant these seeds in the pure soil of your heart. At some places, this line is also quoted as Nako re mada sarvada angikaru. Mada means high-headedness. It is of no use to be so dizzy with your own success that you become oblivious to others' efforts. Humility is what makes success looks even more beautiful. It is therefore important for a seeker to not swing between extremes. That is, to not be angry and dejected when things do not go your way or to become crazy with success. According to Samartha Ramdas, Mada, Matsara and Dambha, which means high-headedness, jealousy and hypocrisy are of no use to one's existence. They do no value addition to your life. On the contrary, they take a seeker further and further away from reality, leaving no room for introspection or improvement. And that is why we need to remember Nako re mana matsaru dambhabharu. O mind, do not carry this unnecessary baggage of matsara, which means jealousy, and dambha, which means hypocrisy. Accept life the way it is and be happy for others. That is the sign of highest nobility. When it comes to vices, we have to be like a ringmaster. Just the way a ringmaster does not change the beasts in front of him into some other animals, our life cannot be completely devoid of anger and desires. but we need to channelize their ferociousness into something that will make it more positive and creative. It is unto us to convert these virtues, these vices into virtues. Thank you so much for being with me in this explanation of Shlok 6. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and to get notifications of all the new videos that we post here on Tuesdays and Fridays, please click on the bell icon below. Thank you so much.